Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Cool Gadget Reviews, and in this video I got my hands on JJR M02, which is a plane slash drone. So I'm going to show you what this can do. We're going to do flight test in this video. So let me just quickly show you different modes that this plane can fly in. So you can fly vertical, horizontal and airplane mode. So as you can see, the motors are going to move as I'm selecting different modes on the remote control. There's a toggle switch on the remote control, so you can toggle it while in flight, and you will go from horizontal to vertical or into aeroplane mode. So anyway, let's get this baby up in the sky, and we'll talk more about it. And also the airplane mode is kind of hard to fly. I got in a drone mode right now. We will do vertical in a minute or two. Basically I have crashed this drone and I've broken some stuff on this, so I'll add some footage of that at the end of the video. And right now what I'm going to try and do is try to bring it close to the camera. This drone plane can fly up to around about 300 meters, maybe a little bit more, but I haven't tried it to its full capacity. And today when I'm recording this video test flight, the weather looks nice, but it is really windy. We got around about 15 to 18 kilometers an hour of wind. So as you can see, this plane is made from styrofoam, which is quite lightweight but also really fragile. You can snap it. I have flown other budget drones, but this one is just so fun. I mean, the way you can change from flying horizontal mode to vertical, and then you can switch it to airplane mode. I will show you vertical mode in a minute, and it's just so easy and fun, and I just like the look of this plane. It looks amazing. I will be doing some future modifications to this. So now we're going to vertical mode right there. I am absolutely fighting the wind right now, so I'm going to try to bring it closer and try that again. Can't see on the camera, it's gone a bit far out, but I'm trying to bring it closer and demonstrate the vertical mode a bit more. I just love playing with this drone. Had it for a while now, and airplane mode is kind of difficult to fly. You need a lot of experience, but yeah, like I was talking about, I need to do some modifications on this. So maybe FPV camera setup on there, maybe some better motors, and a few other bits and bobs, maybe a better battery as well. So now I just want to demonstrate some vertical rotations. So that looks just so cool. Don't forget, it is windy out there right now, so you can hear it off my GoPro camera mic as well. And I'm just controlling it going left and then right as well. It's just so much fun. I just love this plane. It's absolutely brilliant. I really recommend you to buy it if you can. I got this from Banggood from China, so check their website out. I'll put a link in the description box. And also please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and hit the notification bell, and comment below if you've got any questions. I will be doing probably 3-4 videos on this, because I got the repair video coming up next, which I'm going to repair the damaged parts, because I did a crash off camera. So watch till the end and I will show you what's damaged on this plane. I'm going to fix that. I'll do a video on the repair, then I'll probably do a couple more videos as well. Probably try and do a video on just the airplane mode. I just need to get a bit more experience before I do that. So now I've gone with the wind and it's just taken off. So now I'm coming back, fighting the wind right now. So I'm really fighting the wind, but it does fight the wind, but because of the design of the plane and it's so light, the wind will just drift it really easy, because of the shape of the plane and the wings. If it's a normal drone, you will drift a little bit, but not as much. But because of this, because of the shape of the wings, the wind can just blow onto the wing span and just take it off. But yeah, I mean, I'm just fighting the wind right now, so I'm gonna try and land. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna show you a close-up of the drone right now, and as you can see, this is much better than the VTOL XK450 or something like that, because the design of this plane is much better. And the reason why the lights are blinking is the battery is slightly low. And as you can see, the design of this plane is so much better. It's so awesome. And as I said, the body is made out of styrofoam. So if you do ever crash one of these, this is what can happen. Okay, this is the worst part. So your motor mounts can break because they're made out of plastic. They should have been made out of a bit stronger material, maybe aluminium or metal. But this was a high-speed impact. It came straight into the ground. I kind of lost control somehow. So this is what can happen. This is one of the weak points on this plane. As you can see, the motors at the front, as soon as they hit the ground, the impact goes back into the motor mounts and they kind of snap because they're made out of plastic. So my next video is going to be on repairing this plane, and I've got all the parts as well. So make sure you look out for my next video, and make sure you subscribe, like and comment.